coming up. Check it out. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We're back out here in these streets of Newark, New Jersey, man. We're on the east side of Newark, New Jersey. East side, East Ward. And we're about to go up here, man. We're at Jack's Hot Dogs. Y'all, we're gonna check it out and see what's going on. We were suggested to come to this spot by Anthony Valdez. And we're gonna see. So what do you have, just hot dogs? Oh yeah? We're gonna see what type of hot dogs, because y'all know we from the north side and you got a couple hot dog trucks over there. I never thought to come to the east side to try out some of the hot dogs, but we're gonna definitely check it out today. So what do you have? Like, tell us about your hot dogs.
That's mostly fried onions, chili cheese, potato.
Potato? So if I was to get two, you got cream cheese too?
Nah.
No cream cheese? That's good, that's good. Because I would have got one, and that's what they have over there. But I want to do something. I want to get two dogs at your discretion. Okay. So which ones would you give me?
I'll give you chili cheese and a mustard kraut and onions.
Mustard, kraut, and onions, and a chili cheese. All right, that'll work, that'll work, that'll work. How long you been doing this?
30 years.
30 years. And you own the truck?
Yes, I do.
Oh, that's what's up, man. He's making them hot dogs, y'all. I better stop talking.
So you go up in the north?
I live in the north, yeah.
Okay. Where about?
I live right by Branchbrook Park.
Oh, nice.
Which one is that?
That one's the mustard kraut onions.
That's the mustard, kraut, and onions, y'all.
Next one's chili cheese.
Chili cheese is coming up. Jack's. How much is that?
That'd be $6.50.
$6.50, and you know what? I'm gonna get a water too.
Oh,
Yep. All right, y'all, it's really cold out here. I was gonna eat outside on the car, but look at these, man. They're about the size of my hand, the dogs are. See, they can fit right in my hand. See that? Switch up on y'all, check that out. I don't know which one is which. I forget what he said, but we do have it on video. Maybe we'll go back on the video. Which one was this? This one's the kraut and onions. Right here, mustard, kraut, and onions right there. See that one? Can you guys see that? Mustard, kraut, and onions. Check it out. This is the mustard, kraut, and onions one. Did y'all hear that snap? It's a bread hot dog. Good flavor. The bread is nice and soft. Fresh. I just love these hot dogs, man. I have that snap and that good flavor in them. It's official, y'all. Let me eat. Can you see that pepper on there? Can y'all see that red pepper? I'm tasting that pepper right now. It's funny, at the end of this hot dog, I'm getting that hot spice. It is a smaller hot dog than I'm used to. We're going for the other one. All right, y'all, here we go. This is the second one right here. This one had the chili. See that chili on there? All right, hold on. Let me taste it off the wrapper. That's some good chili. It tastes a little spicy too. That's that chili. What's that, chili cheese? I like the chili cheese. Let's check out this chili cheese, y'all. Right here. That chili has a good flavor. I want to know what is in it. Chili cheese. I don't believe any mustard is on this one. That one has a little bit of red pepper on it too. Tastes a little peppery. But this is how it looks, man. See that? See that? You know what I'm gonna say? I'm gonna say this is an old-fashioned hot dog. What makes it old-fashioned? I like that chili. It's not that thick chili with the big, thick, meaty slices or chunks of meaty. It's not that chili with them big, thick, chunky, meaty pieces. But it's really good. The thing about a good hot dog too, right, is the way the flavors mix, man. You got that Frankfurter in there, and you got this cheese and the chili and the bread. The bread has a delicious taste in it too, man. You can't have that old bland, plain bread. I could eat another one. I'm happy. I'm a happy camper. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hang with the wrong people. But you're with the right cat now. I love you cats, man. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for liking, subscribing. Thanks for joining. Thanks for becoming a patron, man, at patreon.com/Matt DV Williams. Once again, I love you cats, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace. Independence Park right there.
Mosquito Park.
That's the nickname? Mosquito Park? Mosquito Park is the nickname.